Many people dream about large and expensive RVs, but some way completely ignore camping potential of their daily driver vehicles. Today we'll demonstrate to you that a family hauler can work as a decent shelter for short getaways, of course if equipped with a proper camping kit. Subscribe to Must See Tech and let's explore the newest portable conversions and do-it-yourself setups for the ultimate yet frugal camping experience. We are rolling now! Visu Moie. The largest model by the Czech visu.camp was designed to turn any van into an RV. It is offered in 8 sizes, fitting models from the latest VW Transporter to Mercedes V-Class and Opel Zafira Life. According to the company, the Moyer is more than a camper box. It is a comprehensive space solution that serves as your base camp and your traveling home. It consists of 4 elements: a double bed with a 3-inch cold foam mattress, huge storage underneath, a pop-up table, and a slide-out kitchen. The latter packs a removable barbecue grill, a 15-liter water canister with a tap, and a large aluminum box for supplies. There is also a 3 feet long working surface for food preparation. To keep the maximum weight under 300 pounds, the Moyer relies on durable but lightweight materials, including powder-coated steel frame, laminated plywood, and sheet metal. Roadloft. 3 years living in a minivan, 2 years of R&D, and 850 kits on the road. This is a resume of the French manufacturer Roadloft, who promises uncompromising manufacturing, eco-friendly materials, lightness, and strength of their camping kits. This product is made of marine-grade poplar plywood, and the total weight is just 123 pounds. The overall dimensions allow to fit most of the popular minivans, like the Honda Odyssey or Toyota Sienna. The multifunctional design allows to equip the cabin with a bed featuring a high-density polyurethane foam mattress, a kitchen with a 2-burner, cooler, sink, and a cutting board, and overall 283 liters of storage. Spontaneous getaways become a breeze thanks to a fast 5-minute assembly time, only requiring a flathead screwdriver, while otherwise the kit is completely vehicle independent. Skoda Enyaq FestEVal by Egoe. The crowd of electric campers gains a new member, as Skoda's first EV SUV tries on the role of a camper for festival goers and weekend adventures. Visually, the Enyaq FestEVal looks exactly as any other model, while its camping amenities are a courtesy of the Czech company Egoe. Specially developed to fit the Skoda, the kit includes an extendable double bed frame with a mattress that can be set up on top of the folded rear seats. The kitchen unit slides out from the rear and includes a glass cooker, meal prep area, collapsible sink, and lots of drawers for storage. The roof of the Enyaq is fitted with a rooftop tent that sleeps 2 more people and features a solar-powered fan and an integrated torch. At this time, the FestEVal is just a concept, but since Egoe already offers a selection of camping kits for other Skodas, it is possible that this one will also join their catalog in the nearest future. If you find our content just a little bit informative, then smashing the like button would be a perfect way to let us know about it. Thanks for the feedback, and let's keep rolling. Car Camper. This German startup specializes in producing compact camping modules that allow your car to quickly transform into a journey companion without any modifications. One of the recent additions to the product range is the Car Camper bed module that consists of an aluminum frame, slatted frame, mounting screws, and tie-down straps. The bed is offered in 2 sizes, and for its installation, the rear seats of your car must fold. The module's functionality can be significantly boosted with the optional telescopic extension slide-outs, which are also available in 2 sizes. You can add a kitchen box with a high-quality bamboo lid that can be used as a worktop, table, or a seat. Finally, the Car Camper carries a selection of compatible storage boxes, wooden lids, and mattresses. Sonarana Rovers Camper. A collaboration between a designer Arjuna Steen and camper conversion gurus from Sonarana Rovers results in this unique camper build based on the Defender 110. The customer wanted to create a comfort oasis on wheels, so the camper interior is made entirely by hand. Using mesquite and ashwood as the main materials, Sonarana Rovers crafted custom-made drawers, cabinetry, shelves, and storage compartments. The conversion also includes a wooden slide-out kitchen with a 2-burner gas stove and a stainless steel sink, a roof-mounted top tent, and a large side awning. Sonarana do not list detailed specifications, but the manufacturer's video showcases that the kit does include solar panels with a dual battery pack. Giro Vaga Box. Designed and built in Italy, the Giro Vaga boxes can turn your van into a camper in a matter of minutes. The brand's lineup includes 2 models: Rovers for such MPVs as VW Caddy or Renault Kangoo, and Vanlab for the likes of VW Transporter and Mercedes Vito. The kits include 4 modular storage boxes made of marine plywood with anodized aluminum fasteners, and they can be arranged into a functional kitchen outside of the van. Additionally, each kit comes with 2 19-liter water tanks, a sink and a tap, a stove, and a table that can double as a shelf. The bed platform can be arranged in single or double configurations. Each Giro Vaga box is offered in Smart and Deluxe equipment levels. The former gets an inflatable mattress made of polyester, while the latter arrives with an 8-inch thick foam mattress with an acrylic upholstery. Domatic Go. For those who do not want to spend hours browsing the wide selection of camping products on the internet, Domatic delivered a complete camping collection, which includes everything that a family might need for an effortless outdoor adventure. Designed to pack neatly in the back of a compact car, the Domatic Go camping series starts with a camp table made of bamboo with 3 heights adjustability, a foldable camp chair, and a 2-seater bench. You can carry all these essentials inside an insulated soft storage cases, coming in 10-liter or 20-liter sizes, though there is also a hard 50-liter storage case. A day-long stay at the campsite is made easier with a signature water jug and a self-powered water faucet. Other interesting products of the collection include a waterproof dual-surface blanket, passive and powered coolers, portable barbecue grill, and many other mobile cooking solutions. Vanlab. This West Coast startup calls itself IKEA for vans. They have developed multiple pre-made interior components that, in a traditional Scandinavian manner, require minimum skills and only moments to assemble. The Vanlab USA kit is self-contained and features bench heights specifically designed to provide an ergonomic layout with a kitchenette, dinette, and sofas. In a matter of 30 seconds, the studio layout could be turned into a bedroom with twin, queen, or king-size bed, all depending on the size of your vehicle. Vanlab manufacture all the components from high-quality Baltic birch plywood, and they're mounted on wood floor. The modular design has plenty of drawers that can be optionally equipped with a cooler, water storage, batteries, and even a toilet under the rear bench. River Leaf Arches. Instead of developing camping solutions for the all-new vehicle models, the Kansas River Leaf created a conversion kit for the owners of used minivans that were built from 2004 and beyond. It is offered in 3 variants and is suitable for all major US sold MPVs, including Honda Odyssey, Toyota Sienna, Chrysler Pacifica, and discontinued Chrysler Town and Country. The Arches includes a foldable bed with birch plywood base and a 3-inch thick sectional foam mattress. You also get several drawers for storage, a table for dining and working, plus several kitchen amenities, like a collapsible sink and a gas stove. Lastly, the skid still allows the minivan to accommodate 4 passengers. Do you like the camping solutions presented today? If you're shopping for a camping kit, let us know in the comment section about your own preferences. If you haven't had the chance, now's a great time to smash the like button. Subscribe to Must See Tech for a regular dose of innovations and camping gear, ring the notification bell, and remember to stand with Ukraine. We'll see you soon.